Okay, here we're going to try to execute a nice on-the-go unloading of the combine. So Max is learning how to drive the grain cart. This is his first year. It's a pretty big deal. So we're unloading, this combine unloads at about a little over 100 pounds a second. This time the grain bin holds about 300 bushels when it's full, and we're unloading about 250, I think. Max is just doing a wonderful job here. This is not as easy as it looks, because he has to steer his cart within about 2 feet left to right to be in the right spot for me to be able to unload. Here's the grain. That's an almost empty grain bin. Almost done here. Just getting finished up. We're moving along a little over 4 miles an hour. Okay, just got finished. Shut her off. There we go. And Max is gonna pull out here and head back, so grab me the next round.